are discussing about how to implement an interface. Implementing an interface. To declare a class that implements an interface, you include an implements clause in the class declaration. Your class can implement more than one interface, so the implement keyword is followed by a comma separated list of the interface implemented by the class. By convention, the implement clause follows the extend clause if there is one. Let's discuss about the advantages of Java interface. So Java interface supports multiple inheritance. Java interface enables programmers to break up the complex programming approach and simplify the dependencies between the objects. Java interface makes the data members and methods in an application to be loosely coupled. Let's discuss about some of the disadvantages of Java interface. Use of Java interface brings down the execution speed of the application. Java interface in the applications are either used repeatedly at large extent or hardly used at all. Let's see the code how we can implement the interface in Java. The interface. So here we create an interface printable and inside it we create a method that is void print, and then again we create an interface showable and then we write show method inside it. So and then we create a implementing class that is class A7 which implements both printable and showable. So we can implement more than one interface also by using the comma separated. And then we call the print void public void print method and just write hello, and then again we call the public void show and then print welcome, and inside the main method we just make the class object and then call both print and show method. So in this way we can achieve the implement the interface. Interface is a keyword, and with the help of interface name and then we just make the create the methods, and we all know that inside the interface we don't provide any body to our method because interface means 100% abstraction. So we just save it and let's execute it. So we are already in our location, so just write Javac a7.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java a7. See, it will print hello and welcome both. So in this way we can implement the interface in our program. Thank you.